Hi guys, in this session we will discuss about this problem look and say sequence. Okay, suppose if we say this one, right, this how one is how many times, one is one time, right? Yeah, this is the output you have to give. Okay, suppose if you take this as an input, okay, what you have to return, how many times is one, 2 times is 1. Suppose you see here 2 times is 1. Okay, 2 times is 1, like this. Okay, similarly suppose if you take this as an input, so what you need to return, we need to follow the sequence, right? In this sequence 2 is how many times, 1 time, 1 time is 2. Okay, 1 time is 2 and 1 is how many times, 1 time one time is 1. You see this one. Okay, similarly this also, let me explain here. Okay, now you see here the 1, so you tell me here 1 is how many times, 1 is 1 time. It's very simple, right? So this is the count is 1 time is 1. Okay, suppose if you take this as an input, guys, you see here this I'm taking as an input. So now you tell me we have ones right here, how many ones here, you tell me 2 ones. Okay, 2 ones, it's very simple. You have to tell, I'm giving as this is as input string, you have to tell how many ones is here, 2 ones is here, this is the output. Okay, let me write here, this is the input and this is the output. Suppose if I give this one as an input, so what you need to tell, how many 2's here, how many 1's here. So you guys, you see here how many 2's, 1 2, and how many 1's, 1 1. You see here, this is the count, red color whatever I'm mentioning, right? This is 1 time is 2 and 1 time is 1. Suppose if you take this as an input, how many times is 1 here, you have to follow the sequence, right? So how many times is 1 is 1 time. You see here 1 is 1 time, this is a count and this is the character. And suppose if you take this one, 2 is how many times, 2 is how many times, 1 time is 2. You see this one, 1 time is 2. Okay, and come here remaining. Okay, here you see we need to find the sequence also, right? You see 1 is here and next element also the 1, right? We need to make a count, how many times is 1 here, 2 times is 1, that's why 2 times is 1. You need to return like this. Okay, suppose if you take this as input, again we need to do the same. Suppose if n equal to 1, you need to return this output. Suppose if you take this as input, you need to return the output. Suppose n equal to 2. Okay, if you take this as input yourself and return this output. Suppose if n equal to 3, take input as this one, the previous output is input of the second next iteration. Okay, this and this is the output. Suppose n equal to 4, this is 1, n equal to 5, this one. Okay, like this, n equal to 5, what we need, this one, right? Yeah, this one, yeah, this one, like this. Yeah, just try to understand the problem. Okay, yeah, let me write the code. I will explain easy approach, so after that we can go for optimization. Okay, the easy approach I will tell. First what I will do, I will take this as a one input. Okay, you see here I am taking this as a one input. So what I need to return, this I need to return the 1 comma 1. Let me write a code. Okay, first int I equal to 0 and int current character equal to, I am taking the character from here, I means the 0, both are same. Okay, now I am checking both are same or not. Current character equal to, let me take this is the character, right? Character I am taking, not int. If both are same, initially both are obviously both are same, right? Because I am assigning from I and keeping into one variable character, so both are same. So what I am doing, I am increasing the let me take count. Actually I need to increase the count, I need a count, right? So let me write one count. Count equal to, initially I am taking the 0. Okay, now count plus plus and the I plus plus. I plus plus for next iteration. Okay, now this entire thing I'm keeping into the let me keep into one string buffer. String buffer is be equal to new string buffer, and I'm going to add. So first what we need to count, we need to add the count, and second one is the character. The same I'm following. Okay, let me show you what I have explained. Yeah, you see here this count first, then this is the original character. Okay, first count and original character. Okay, let me return this into the string. Okay, and this is always true, right? This always true, but how to control I less than result dot length. Okay, now so I am taking this as one input, one as input. So what I need to return? Okay, initially I am not considering this in, just I am taking this as an input. So I am expecting 1 comma 1. Wait, get it? You see here 1 comma 1, but I have taken only this one, right? Yeah, I'm taking this as input and output is this one. Okay, now you see here like this I need to go. Now I need to take this as an input 1 comma 1 and return 2 comma 1 as an input. Now 2 comma 1 input and 1 comma, like this. Okay, like this. So n equal to 5 minutes, strip 1 1 1 2 2 1. Okay, let me clear. Okay, now the result, right, again I need to take as an input. Okay, for this what I need to do, okay, I am taking this again, I'm keeping this into the loop. I less than result dot length, right? Yeah, I'm taking this as a loop. Okay, but I'm keeping into the result, right? So it will continuously, it will go. So we need to control. Suppose if you want this 5 or whatever, I am going to write one more condition, one more loop, not condition. Yeah, this one I am keeping as input for this loop. Okay, so that's why k equal to 1 and k less than n and k plus plus, because 1 we already come, this is 1 we already returned. Okay, that's why I am taking from 1, not 0. Suppose if it is only 1, then directly we will return this and all, no need. Okay, now that's it. This is very simple. Now, let me execute and show you. So I am giving 5, right? Here 5. So the 5 what we need to expect. 5 means 1 2 3 4, this one, right? 1 1 1 and 2 2 1. Yeah, 1 1 1 and 2 2 1. Okay. Yeah, guys, you see here I'm copying the same, and let me execute this in the lead code. Yeah, I already done. Let me show you in front of you. Okay, let me submit it. Yeah, right, it's approved, but it's beats only 51.2% because we are using 3 loops. Okay, we can use only 2 loops. That is also, it works, so we can improve that, but this is very easy solution. So once you know this, then you can see here we are using the 2 loops, right? One loop is enough. So within the 1 loop we can keep if and else conditions. That is also, it works. So I already written in somewhere, you see here this one, so you can try. But whatever I have explained, this is easy, this is basic level understanding, then you can go ahead on this. Thank you, thanks for watching.